my name is Alice and right now you are in my studio apartment in Amsterdam. It's a 21 square meter apartment. It's pretty tiny and I thought it would be nice to show you. I recently moved here, so everything is basically new or second-hand, but I just decorated it. So I thought it would be a nice idea to show everyone what it looks like. As I already mentioned, it's a tiny space, so I tried to come up with different ideas of how to store everything in this studio apartment. So I hope you like it.